Nurse Paul, I'm handing over Mr. George to you. He was admitted earlier today with chest pain and shortness of breath. His vital signs are stable, but we're still awaiting the results of his blood tests and ECG.
Thank you, Dr. Mihira. I'll review his medical history and ensure he's comfortable. Is there anything specific I should be aware of?
Yes, Mr. George has a history of hypertension and high cholesterol. He's taking several medications, including a blood thinner. Please monitor his vital signs closely and be alert for any changes.
Will he need any additional medications or interventions?
We'll need to wait for the test results before making any decisions. If the tests indicate a cardiac event, we may need to initiate further treatment.
Dr. Mihira, I'll keep a close eye on him and notify you if there are any changes in his condition. It sounds like you've had a bit of a scare, Mihira, and I want to reassure you. It's quite common for minor falls to happen, especially as we get a little older or if we're feeling a bit off balance. The important thing is that you did exactly the right thing by telling us. We've checked you over thoroughly, and I can confirm there are no signs of a fracture or any serious injury, which is excellent news. While this fall wasn't serious, it's a good prompt for us to look at ways to prevent them from happening again. We can make a few simple adjustments to your environment to help you feel more secure. For instance, sometimes loose rugs or clutter can be tripping hazards, so it's a good idea to remove those or secure them firmly. Making sure your home has good lighting, especially in hallways and stairwells, can also make a big difference. And if you ever feel unsteady, even slightly, please don't hesitate to use walking aids like a cane or a walker. They're there to help keep you safe. We also have some specific recommendations for modifications that could be very beneficial. Installing grab rails in the bathroom, near the toilet and in the shower, can provide crucial support. And when it comes to footwear, opting for properly fitting shoes with non-slip soles is much safer than loose slippers or walking barefoot. We can work together to make your home environment as safe and comfortable as possible. How does that sound?